guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. I was sick 1 week and then I don't remember what I was doing last week, but yeah, I didn't post anything. So I am back. In today's video we will be unboxing my March ScentBird package. So yeah, we will get right into that. Alright, so I've got it right here. This is the scent that I got. Frickin' sun. The scent, like the ingredients are pink grapefruit, leche, I don't know how to say that, leche, peony, firebest, jasmine petals, and cedarwood. And this is what it is. And then comes in a little baggie. It says ScentBird on it. And we got the yellow case. Super cute. My last one was red, if you guys watched the video for February's. So it was red. This one's yellow. And then I have a gray one. Yeah, and then a gray one. And then To Love Me is what it is. This is what it looks like. I don't know what's going on with the light, but whatever. Okay, ooh. That is not bad. Okay, I'm gonna spray it and try it out. I like that. My hair's up in a bun. Okay. I actually do not mind that smell. Like, it is more florally. So, if you don't like floral, you will not like this. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is my March one. I am getting one for April, May, June, July, and August. I don't believe I put anything in my queue for September and October. I think I may like stop my subscription at August, because I mean, yeah, like I'll flip around my camera and show you guys how many perfumes I have, and they're not just from the ScentBird, they're also from Bath and Body Works, so I don't need any more perfumes after August, but I'll show you guys 1 minute. So all of these are perfumes, well, other than the things right there, but yeah, I've got like, I think I've got like 25 perfumes, and I haven't used like half of them. Some of them are Christmas scents as well, and I only use them during the holidays, but yeah, so there's that. Anyways, I will end the video there, since that is all I have for today's video. My next video will be a Shein haul, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I did buy 2 outfits off Shein, so I will definitely do a haul and a try on for you guys next week, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, anyways, I hope you like the video. Please comment down below any video suggestions you may have, and turn on my post notifications so that you are notified every single time I post a video. My posting schedule is Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, Canadian time. So yeah. Anyways, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye!